Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully solved one of the problem, grading system problem, and we successfully done it, right? We successfully done it with using that if and else if condition. I hope friend if and else if condition is very much clear to you right now. Right now we don't need this. Okay, right now we don't need this. Now I want to solve another issue. I want to solve another issue with our switch and case. So before I have discussed about that with the switch case, we solve one problem. Before that was only one logic. But if you have that multiple logical operators into the switch case, then how can deal with this? In this video, I will show you that things with the live example. So here I want to take one of the number, and also into this number area, here I want to put some of the multiple logic. That means this number, okay, this number will be as a greater than, it should be check it is greater than a 0 or not, and also it should be check it it's this number, okay, this number is equal, that means it's equal 0 or not. And also it should be check another one as our this number is less than, that is the minus number or not. Okay, that means a less than 0. Less than 0 means what? That is a minus number. So simple three of this, that means these three of this I want to check it with the switch case. That means one of the multiple logical value here we have to pass. So if you want to do that work, like I want to do, first of all, that will be the switch, right? That will be the switch. I simply take that switch, and here I want to compare with the true. Okay, I make it as a true, and then in our curly bracket that will be as a case, and into this case I want to display our number. That will be the number. I want to display our first problem is the number will be as it should be checked with the greater than 0 or not, right? For now I want to make it as a like 1. I make it as 1. So in our switch case, when our numbers, that will be as a number, I take this variable name as a number. Okay, when this number will be greater than 0, okay, then that will be one of the positive number. So I want to in our console log, so into the console, and then the log, into this console log area I want to pass one of the value as this is a positive number. Okay, then that will be displayed this one, and also you can see it's also already get one of the error here, that will be as a semicolon. Great. And then I want to do the another one. I copy it. Okay, I simply copy it, and then case, and after that case also I have already discussed about that things with you. That will be another break, right? Here you have to use that as a break, and then I want to add another condition. I paste it, and also paste it. Perfect. Right now I better make it a little bit left side, which is totally fine. Okay, which is totally fine. So, and our another condition will be when this number will be equal 0. That means when that will be equal 0, okay, then that will be display as this is 0. Okay, this is 0 number, and when it will be as a less than 0, okay, when it will be as a less than 0, then that will be as a negative number, right? I make it as a negative number. Great. So now let's check this out. Our variable I have already printed. When that will be as a greater than 1, that means when it will be greater than 0, then that will be displayed as this is a positive number. If you click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh. Yes, you can see it's now display as this is a positive number. And when it will be as a equal 0, okay, I make it as a 0, click as a refresh, that means a save all, and then refresh it. Now as you can see, it's showing as this is a 0 number. Okay, so now that is our 0 number. And when it will be as a minus, I want to make it as a minus, okay, minus 1 or minus 10, whatever you choose. I make it as minus 1. So now when that will be as a less than 0, then that will be displayed that this is a negative number. Now if you click as a refresh, yes, you can see there is a display as this is a negative number. I hope friend you get some of the idea about it, how to check that multiple logical with the switch case. Okay, so in our next video friend, I want to start a new session. It's about the JavaScript loops. So that will be also very basic things. As I told you, first of all, just simply capture all that core functionality and remember it and practice it. Laterally everything will be needed. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.